Guys, a man's respect will never weigh as much as a woman's emotions in a relationship. And I might lose some people off of this, and that's okay. Women and men don't communicate the same. Men value respect in relationships, and women value emotions in a relationship. This is why men will typically leave quicker than a woman if they don't feel respected in a relationship. And women will leave if they don't feel like they're being emotionally serviced in a relationship. A lot of women don't know how to respect a man because they only operate off emotions. So for them, the relationship is solely contingent on how you make them feel. This causes a lot of women to mentally check out when they feel uncomfortable with something. But the hard truth is that respect doesn't always feel comfortable. For example, when you're a child and your parent tells you something to do and you don't want to do it, it doesn't feel good, but you do it out of respect for your parents. You care about what they think about you, and you know the repercussions that will come out of it if you don't. If your best friend called you at 3 in the morning because their car broke down and they were on the side of the road, they had nobody else to come pick them up, you probably wouldn't feel like getting out of bed, but you probably would because you respect them and you care about them. A relationship is no different. In the same exact way, showing respect to a man you're in a relationship with may not always be your very first reflex based on the situation, but trust that it will make or break the relationship. A relationship is a scale, and it has to be balanced for it to work. It's going to be times where one side leans further than the other because we all have moments where we need to help our partner through something. But women tend to be the focus rather than the man, and this doesn't allow for the man to get any respect. Because she's labeled as being the prize, it's being forced on men to cater to her emotions and communicate with her through her language, all while having to put his on the back burner. So he feels like he has to bend to keep her happy. He smiles and justifies it by saying happy wife, happy life, which is utter bull, but that's a whole nother video. See, when it comes to respect, a lot of women don't consider it at all. They just see it as him not understanding her, not realizing that it might be her not understanding him. I'm going to give you as an example because we've all been here. It's like when a woman wants to vent to a man and wants him to listen, but the man's natural reaction is to give a solution. There's a lot of women that get upset about that. Then the man gets irritated because he feels like you don't respect the effort he's putting in trying to help you. I mean, if you actually put your emotions to the side, logic will actually tell you that you can't get mad at someone for wanting to help you with the issue that you're having. This is a woman getting mad because you're not speaking her language. Another example, a woman is heading out with her friends. She throws on something that's way too revealing. In these times, that's been normalized and actually encouraged. But the man, however, feels like it's too much. In his head, he's saying, you're disrespecting me by having your body all exposed like that and actually being cool with it. He feels she's not representing him correctly, so he says something about it. And he probably asks her why she's not wearing something that's more appropriate. The woman catches an attitude when he tries to communicate that to her because she feels like that he's now being controlling and out of line. And what's worse is her friends are probably the one instigating it and egging her on. But the man is not wrong. He's looking at it like, we're together. I represent you. You represent me. And you can't just be out here carrying yourself any kind of way because now it makes me look like that I'm with someone that's for the streets. Next thing you know, there's a rift between the two of you because of simply not understanding the difference of how men and women communicate with each other. As I said at the beginning, women need to start being considerate to that difference. But the only way that will happen is when a man's respect weighs just as much as a woman's emotions in a relationship. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.